Dear children, welcome back to the mathematics class. In our last video, we have seen about arithmetic mean or average and range of a given data. Today, we will see another form of central tendency is median and mode. Okay, so arithmetic mean, mode and median, these three are the measures of central tendency or to find the average value or middle value of that given data. In that first one we have seen in our last video. Today we will see mode, second one about mode. So what is this mode? Mode, see, let us take one example. For example, in a test, for example, in mathematics test, 20 students of a class got the following marks. 20 students of a class in a mathematics test got the following marks. See, the marks are like 30 out of 50 they got 30, 45, say 48, say 43, say 35, say 45, say 43, say 45 again, say 44, say 45, 43, 36, 35, 37, say 30, 31. How many becomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See another 4. Say 46, 45, 44, 43. See, these are the marks scored by 20 students of a class in mathematics test. What is the mode of this score? So, this is a set of scores. See, in this are set of observation. In this observation, which observation is occurs most repeated times, repeated observation of a given data, repeated observation of the given data, or the observation that occurs most often, more times. See, for example, here, if you observe this data, here 30 marks, 45 marks, 48, 43, 35 like that, so here you got. So, if you observe all these marks, what you can say? Here, say 30, 130 marks is there, 30, 1 here and another here, total 2 times, 32 times. See, next, say 45, how many times 45s are there? 1, say 2, 3, say 4, 5, 5 45s are there. Then 48, how many 48s are there? 48, no 48, 1 48. Then 43, 1, 2, see 3, 43, 3, it is scored by 3 students, 43. 35 scored by how many students? See, 35, 1, 2, 35 scored by 2 students. Then say 44 scores, marks scored by 1, 2 students, 44 by 2 students. See, then 36, how many students? 1, 36, 1 student, okay, 1. 37 by 1 student, 31 by 1 student, 46 by 1 student, and 46 and 43, one more 43, so for 4 students. So, 30 marks scored by 2 students, 45 by 5 students, 48 by 1 student, 43 by 4 students, and 35 marks scored by 2 students, 44 by 2 students, 36 by 1 student, 37 by 1 student, 31 by 1 student, 36 by 1 student. Here, see here, the marks, if you observe this data, what you can see is 45 marks scored by more students. 5 students scored 45 marks. Okay, so the number or that figure, the score 45 is scored by most or more number of students. Here it is 5. By 5 students, the score 45 scored. By 5 students, therefore 45 is the mode of that given set of data. Understood? So, what is the mode? Mode means it is the most repeated observation of a given data. Most repeated score of a given data, which is repeated more times, that is called mode of a given data. So, how to identify that? What you have to do? You have to write that in ascending or descending order. You will get which occurred more times. Okay, like that. Next, here what one thing, how to count this one is, see here how to do this, very simple. We can put it as tally scores. Tally scores. The tally, it is called tally. See 30. How to put tally? See one line like this. 31. How many students? One student. And say 31. Score 31 is there. How many students? 1. In this score you will observe 1 like this. Tally. So 1. Then 32 are there. No, 32 not there. 33 are there. Not there. 34 not there. Then 35, the score 35. 35 is scored by, see one student here, 1. Then 35 here 1, 2, see 2. Then like this, so total 2 students, 34. In the same way 43, 1, 2, see 1, 2, see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, another one, 4, see 4, like this, total 4 students, see this is called tally bars, like this bar, using bar you can score. See how to use the tally bars, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, cross line, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 one like this. So this is how we can write the tally bars of a given data. Okay. So whatever may be, you can count like this. Okay. So that is the tally bars. This is about tally bars. So what is that mode? Tell me. What is the mode? Mode is the most repeated score of a given data. Mode means which score is repeated more times. That is called the mode. Okay. Next, median. What is that median? See, for example, the temperature of room temperature in 6 days at a particular time of a day is like this. Room temperature of 7 days. At a fixed time of a day is as follows. For example, one day it is say 40 degrees centigrade, another day very hot temperature, say another day it is 35, another day it is 42, another day it is 47, another day it is 33, it is say 43, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another day it is 40. The scores are like this: 40, 35, 42, 47, 33, 43, 40. Whatever may be, it is a score. Keep it as it is a raw data. It is a score. So, what is the median of the data? To say the median of the data, you have to write these data in any one order, either ascending or descending order. Let us write this in descending order or ascending order. Which is the smallest score? 33. See, after 33, 35. After 35, see 40. After 40, another 40. Here on 40, here on 40. 33, 35 over. Then 42, 42. After 42, 43 and 47. See, this is ascending order of the given data. If this data is written in ascending order, we will write like this: 33, 35, 40, 40, 42, 43, 47. So here, if you observe this data, which comes in middle? See, which comes in middle? The 7, if there are 7 data, 7 scores, which is the middle one? Fourth one is the middle one, isn't it? See, this side 3, that side 3. Fourth one is there in the middle. So, the middlemost score of a observation of the given data, the middlemost score of the given data, if that data is written in ascending or descending order. You can write in descending order also. See 47, 43, 42, 40, 40, 35, 30. Like that also you can write. So either ascending or descending order if you write, the middlemost score is called the median. Okay, so median means it is the middle observation of the data if it is arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, suppose, so here there are 7 scores. So in 7 scores, fourth one is the middle one. If there are 8 scores, suppose one more are there. Suppose like this. It is like this. One more score is there. 5, say 40, and say 43, 40. Say 40, 41, say 41, 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. Which is the middle one? If there are 7 scores, fourth one is the middle one. That side 6, another side 6. So middle, the fourth one comes. But here, see 3, this side 3. Here 2 scores are there in middle. So if there are 2 scores, you have to take the average of that. 41 plus 41 divided by 2. 41 plus 41 divided by 2. So that is the median. If the number of data is odd, then one middle one score comes. If the number of data is even, then there are 2 data are there in middle. So you can't. Here, see, if you arrange like this, there are 2 data. 41 and 41 comes in middle. So 41 and 41, if you divide it by 2, if you add that one and divide it by 2, it again becomes 41 itself. So here the median is 41. Instead of, if it is 40, say it is 43 here, then what happens? 41 plus 43 is equal to 84. 84 divided by 2 is equal to 42. 42, the average of that. So what you have to do? If there are 2 scores in middle, you have to add that 2 scores and you have to divide by 2. That is the median of the data. Okay. So if mode means, what is that mode? The most repeated observation of the data is called mode, and the middlemost score of the data is called median. Okay, that is mode and median. You have studied it. So in your previous classes also you have studied maybe. So these 3 measures of central tendency you have to learn. Okay, one is arithmetic mean, mode and median. These 3 are the 3 measures of central tendency. Arithmetic mean means, suppose one question is given like this. For example, let us see. Marks scored by you in 6 subjects of a examination in a test is like this, 20